Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to modify your voice using Voicemod within OBS Studio. So, what you're going to do is you're going to actually look up Voicemod. That's how it's spelled. Download it for free. Once you've downloaded it and you've installed it, open it up, and then you're going to see it. Once it's open, you can pick the narrator you want.
And you can turn it on and off, just like that. However, you have to do one last step after you've installed it and you've opened it up.
Then you actually have to go into OBS Studio, and you have to open up OBS Studio, make sure you're updated to the latest settings, okay? And then what we're going to do here is we're just going to move my webcam up here. And you're going to go down here. Then you're going to hit the plus symbol and go to Audio Input Capture. And you're going to name Voicemod, name it Voicemod or whatever you want. And then hit OK. What's going to happen is it's going to pop up a window. And there's going to be a drop down. So I'm going to do it, but I've done it already a couple of times, and it's getting a little bit redundant. But well, let me just do Audio Input Capture 3, okay? And sorry, I know you can't see that. Once you actually name it, you'll see there's a drop down, and you pick Voicemod Virtual Audio Device. That's it. You just pick that, and then hit OK. Sorry about my screen there. Let me just get out of your way. So yeah, you can see once you do that and you hit OK. Now I've got issues because it's trying to keep my other audio input open. And so I'm going to mute that. And now you can see at the end here, here's Voicemod. And it's connected. It's actually what is directly connected to my microphone. So I'm going to
turn it off again. And this is probably the best approach I would use, so you don't have too many audio mixer sources, if that makes sense. Otherwise, I really hope this video helps other people, because it was very simple to set up, very easy to do, and among other things, I'm still working on other integrations, but make sure to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.